Welcome to a B-Squared Design Studio online project walkthrough. In this video, we're going to take a look at a lake cottage remodel that we just recently finished design for. My name is Brenda Skeel. I'm a licensed architect and I'm the owner of B-Squared Design Studio. In this video, we're going to look at this little cottage. This original portion right here was built in the 30s and it's on lake frontage right here. You can see it's on a great big beautiful lake. The major issues the homeowner has with the house is the fact that it looks like there have been additions added over time. You can see that, and the house doesn't look cohesive. Also, those additions have cut the view from the living room or great room off from the lake view over here. So the view side is on this side of the house, but the bedroom and the porch additions cut off the view, and there's only one small window that looks out to the lake. The homeowner provided a pretty detailed sketch of what he wanted to see happen with the house. He also provided an inspiration drawing, kind of the direction he wanted to head with the exterior. Once we got the homeowner's drawing built as a 3D model, we realized we had a few areas we needed to work on, specifically the entries into the bedroom and the space for the bathroom. The kitchen is a little tight, and we also were kind of short on closet space, so the homeowner decided to add a couple of feet to each bedroom. We modified the original sketch to develop two options for the homeowner. One that's closer to the original sketch with the kitchen in an L shape, and one that has the kitchen more as a galley kitchen with a door at the end out towards the lake. And so the homeowner was able to consider each option. The homeowner decided he wanted to see the galley kitchen option developed further, so we worked on this model here to set up the roof line and came up with this set of options here because there were a couple things we could do differently with the great room. We could either add a slider door in the great room or have a picture window. Ultimately, the homeowner decided that while he liked the way the plan was coming together, he wanted to see some different options for the roof line. This wasn't quite what he was looking for. So we turned our attention exclusively to the exterior and the roof lines and developed a series of options that would preserve the original trusses but also completely transform the exterior of the house. We even tested a completely different plan option where we moved the bedrooms to the back of the house, which gave us a totally different kitchen layout and also allowed us to square off the floor plan so that we could create a roof line that more closely matched the owner's original inspiration image. So let's take a look at the homeowner's final design. You can see it's the same house on the lake, but it has a nice, clean, cohesive roof line and great views out to the lake. It also has a new front porch on the lake side and a breezeway connector to the back garage. The plan is essentially the same as what the homeowner provided, except we went with the galley kitchen option, which provides a door out to the lake side from the kitchen. And the sink has a view of the lake from the great room windows, but also the person at the sink can talk to the grandkids in the great room. It's fun to see the number of ways a home can be transformed, and we would love to work with you on your project. If you'd like more information or want to set up an appointment, you can contact us directly via email, or you can find us on our house website or on Facebook or Instagram. Thanks for watching this online project walkthrough.